had my thoughts about like, so like I'm a progressive person.
Cross two lanes.
I do like
In the wrong lane, gotta turn right, gotta be in the left lane for some reason.
For coming from in this conversation, there's some things that will kind of connect us, and I think that for better or worse, makes us a bit of a movement.
And you know what's funny is it happens because of social media and the internet. We're able to finally get.
Yeah.
Because before, if you left a church, you were disfellowshipped, you just disappeared. Yeah. And there was, but like social media and internet has given us a page around that we're able to use, and then say, okay, now listen to what I have to say. And the thing with social media.
Yep, here he goes with the high beams. That was a nice cutoff up there. Exit dive.
Wait.
Now we got an instant justice clip. I'm sure the guy was speeding. He pulled him over really quick as he just turned around. Okay, what? Red light, run.
Her eyes sparkled. That's one thing I really want to know. And what did he do with the body?
Red light, run.
He did? Is it all? But the damp wildness of the shadows and the boom of her laughter were too much. And he shrieked for her not to do this to him, not to leave him.
No.
She only went on laughing.
I wanted to stop at the grocery store.
Her laughter was on the other side of the door, where there was light. And then the lock clicked. And then another door closed. And her laughter was even more muted, but still there. And another lock clicked and a bolt slammed. And her laughter was going away.
You done messed up, AA
Her laughter was outside, curled around his body. Paul screamed, jerked, then screamed again as pain
Red light,
pulled
run.
his legs. Now if you wanted, Paul said. If I sounded mad, I'm sorry. I was just excited. That's all right.
No, stop.
She
share that on the show, and I had to tell you guys that really happened. Like, there's no exaggeration here.
Don't stop behind me.
Bullshit.
I want everybody to hear this. And this is just, dude, it's just two guys hanging out in the back of a tailgate in a, like on the back of a truck in a parking lot.
Nice cutoff. Okay, went right through the stop sign there. No turn on red. Whoa. Really?
Is going to prohibit you from healing. It doesn't mean it's a forever thing. In fact, I don't think it's a forever thing. In fact, I think you become one of the most powerful voices in the country on this.
All right, I got a comment on this behind me. You're being very ballsy because there's a sheriff right next to you. Seriously.
just told him, but he would walk, and eventually he would walk without pain.
this world in some way. If they're doing some like quantum dimension shit,
Nope.
then I don't know. But,
Behind me.
I always just wonder like
Or why you do it, but you've got to have an arrow that you are pointing towards. You got to have a mark.
No turn on red.
And it will change.
No turn on red. Nope. Oh, behind me. No turn on red.
At all where they were going. Not Ian, he thought, looking out at the
No
barn.
stop.
Not Ian, not yet. And then you'll write the end, won't you?
You didn't stop.
The end of us.
I don't think the guy behind me stopped. It didn't stop. Should I put one of my videos that you roll through the stop back there?
Do you have a camera behind you too?
Yes. Red light run. Red light run. Screwbaroo. Really? Nissan drivers. Blew right through the stop sign. Really, Mansell left. Red light run. Come on, dude. It ain't rocket science. Come on. What the fuck are you doing? Like hell you're gonna fit in there.
Everybody's stopping, going to church. Like that's what the trend line was already doing.
Right.
But then God
Went right through the
decided to
stop over
step
there.
in and say,
Yeah, I had a feeling you're gonna go straight from the right turn lane.
over to our side. Welcome, all of you new listeners.
Please.
I hope we. If you were listening to this show,
Pedumstrians, plural. The light's red, they got a red hand, they cross anyway. Pedumstrians, pedum-dum-dum-dum-dumstrians. Oh, what the? Did not move over. Even make an attempt to. No stop. No stop.